Ignite your inner cooking talent. Welcome to the world of KOSTCH. 4 colors, 1 perfect look. Black, white, red, and stainless steel. No matter your kitchen style, there is one just for you. KOSTCH oven doors use high-quality enamel coating. The surface is smooth, shiny, and mirror-like. You can touch it, wipe it, and clean it easily with a simple cloth. It is heat-resistant and will not fade. Cheap ovens lose color fast. KOSTCH stays beautiful for years. This is the kind of oven you notice the moment you walk in. It feels modern, it feels clean, it feels powerful. It's not just an appliance. It's a statement for your kitchen. Let's talk about power. This 36-inch gas range has 6 powerful burners. 2 front burners, 18,000 B2. Fast heat, strong fire. 2 middle burners, 12,000 B2. Perfect for daily cooking. 2 rear burners, 9,000 B2. 1 stove, every cooking style. The heat is strong. The control is precise. Every dish turns out just right. Now look inside the oven. Natural gas or propane, both are supported. The LP conversion kit is included. The convection fan moves hot air evenly, so food cooks faster and more evenly. 6.0 cubic feet of cooking space. Big enough for a whole turkey. Dinner is ready. The whole family sits together. Turkey comes out golden and perfect. This is not just cooking. This is family time. This range is CSA certified. You cook with peace of mind. It also comes with a 3-year warranty. Strong quality, modern design. Built to last for years. KOSTCH, cook with power, cook with style, cook with confidence.